Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear brother and sister. This is my room. Okay. I am Nuralam. Welcome back to English Habit. So today I am going to talk about the easiest way learn English beginner. When I start my English learning journey, I cannot understand how to start my learn English. Okay, so first time searching YouTube how to learn English journey, and beginners how to learning journey start. Okay, daily searching, and once once upon a time I understand I am a beginner, so that's why I start listening every English learner and motivational speaker watching this video first time. Okay, and podcast and uh, others channel follow, continuous follow, and after that uh, I observed this, how to make sentence, how to make blog, how to make uh, video, and in front of camera how to. Okay, so and after that I start make video in front of camera, as you can see, like right now. Okay, so it's very effective. uh, you are a beginner learner, so you can try every day listening, first listening. Okay, uh, every day 2 hour 3 hour listening, at least every day 30-minute listening. Okay, so I am always every day, every moment, every time, and cooking time always listening. Okay, uh, example, uh, Mufti main channel follow, and Dadar High School, and Doyal Chandra video always motivate me, and Parosh brother, he also uh, motivate me all time. Okay, so if you are a beginner, you can try your best, and every day and single day only just listening first time. Okay, and improve your listening, and day by day your speak very good. Okay, so so if you are a beginner learner, uh, right now start this step and follow my tips and tricks. Okay, I hope my tips and tricks your improve learning journey and day by day growth. Okay, I hope inshallah, and I believe that today you cannot speak, but only 21 days after you fluently talk, speak, only just 21 days habit listening speaking and reading, writing. Only just 4 things is very very important if you are a beginner learner. So you start your journey and day by day improve your growth. Inshallah, you will be success. You will be a fluent speaker. Inshallah, very soon. So thank you so much watching this video. Next, see you soon. Take care. Every time thinking English, every moment thinking, and every time learning, every time thinking. Inshallah, you will be success. So thank you so much watching this video. Tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.